Hello everyone, and today I am very excited to share my plant haul with you. I'm currently away from home. I am in Rome and I'm staying with a friend. So she just moved into this new place. It's just a small, comfy place, and she is still in the process of moving furnitures and unboxing her stuff. But as you can see, she loves houseplants so much. And over here, she's got this tiny, tiny Dracaena plant, and the poor thing I think is over potted. It's in this large nursery pot. So I will be putting up plants in this space mainly, and I still have my suitcase in there. She agreed with me that she will do her best to place the plants at least every 3 days, to place them in a more lighted area in her kitchen. And those are just plastic flowers that I got her because originally she wanted a big plant in that corner, but she did not have any windows in this area, so I thought it would be better to and she already has that, so I'm just gonna add these two plastic ones. And mainly I got her low light plants, and I hope this will do well for her. And she basically wanted to have flowering plants like anthurium and orchids, and I told her those are bad choices of plants for her space and the lighting conditions inside her home. So let's get into this plants here. And everything that I got here was super cheap. I can't believe that I got about 5 plants here for only 20 euros. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. So I got her a tiny, I'm sorry about the bad lighting. Let's see if we can get a better lighting in this side here. So I got her a peace lily, a small one, and it's got those small flowers out already. And another low light plant is excuse me, is this silver pothos, and I got this one for 3 euros, and I got that one for 3 euros as well. So I think these are the perfect plants for her space. And I have this large pothos that I think will be nice for her bathroom space, because she's got a big window that's has a better lighting situation. So I think that's perfect there, so she could enjoy some greenery in her bathroom as well. And another perfect choice for her space is this ZZ plant that I got her. And then the last one is too many plastic. And I tried my best to tell the guy who was selling them not to give me plastic, because I brought this reusable shopping bag with me. I try my best, I do my part to care for Mother Nature, but he did not listen. So anyway, so the last one is this another low light plant is this snake plant. Everything I got for 20 euros. I hope that these will cheer her up. She's been doing a lot of work packing things, and then now that everything is here, she's been unpacking and moving furnitures. So I really hope that these will cheer her up. And then also I'm planning to make a succulent dish for her backyard, because sometimes she stays out there and have her coffee. So I'm gonna try to make a succulent dish for her. So the other day when we were coming in, the lady from above us was cleaning up her balcony garden, and then she dropped these succulent plants, and I think I can use this. So that poor thing is very lonely, and it's got a planet of its own. So I'll see what I can do to this but I think I'm gonna add a bit more plants in there. I hope you enjoy this Rome episode of Plant Haul with me. Thank you so much. Bye.